In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable zip in Claude. Now, let's dive right into the process to see if you can upload zip files in Claude. First, open a chat in Claude. This is where you'll begin interacting with the software. Opening a chat is a fundamental step because it sets the stage for everything else you want to do. Once you have the chat window open, you're ready to proceed. Next up, look for the plus button that's conveniently located next to the message box. This button is your gateway to adding extra elements to your conversation. Clicking on it gives you additional options to enhance your chat experience. After clicking the plus button, choose the option that says Add Files or Photos. This is your cue to upload documents or images. Selecting this option allows you to bring external files into your conversation with Claude. With that ready, go ahead and select your zip file. Once you've chosen your file, proceed to upload it. If zip uploads are supported on your account, this action is straightforward. You'll see the upload process begin immediately. This makes sure that your selected file is being added to the chat correctly. Now, once your zip file is uploaded, you can ask Claude what you'd like it to do with the contents. You might want Claude to analyze the files, extract information, or perform another task. This step is crucial because it defines what you want to achieve with your uploaded files. At this point, it's important to note that zip file support may vary. If Claude won't accept zip files, don't worry. There's an alternative approach you can take. Instead of uploading the zip file directly, you can extract its contents on your computer. This means unpacking the files so you can handle them individually. Once extracted, you're free to upload the individual files that Claude does support. These formats include PDF, DOCX, TXT, CSV, JSON, HTML, images, and other supported document formats. If you're working with a code project, you might have specific needs. In that case, upload the extracted source files directly. Select the specific files you need Claude to analyze or work with. This approach ensures that you can still leverage Claude's capabilities even if zip uploads aren't an option. Remember, this method of uploading individual files is beneficial because it allows more precise control over what you share with Claude. By doing this, you can focus on the most relevant parts of your project or document. Finally, keep in mind that the availability of zip file uploads might change. Feature rollouts can vary depending on your version of Claude and your account settings. Stay updated with any new developments or updates from Claude. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your file uploads in Claude, whether or not zip files are directly supported. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.